Today in this shop, we are looking at a Sync 3 system on a 2017 F150. Customer's complaint is their Waze app won't work through CarPlay. I started diagnosis by plugging an iPhone in on this system just to verify the concern, and what immediately stood out to me was that CarPlay would not load. The second thing I noticed is the USB is not listed under entertainment sources. So at this point I went ahead and pulled codes on this vehicle, and I'm going to use ForeScan along with an OBD Link MX Plus adapter. And we have absolutely no codes in the APIM. So I think at this point we're going to go ahead and swap out the media hub and see if that resolves our issues. And the media hub does just snap in or snap out on these, and of course the plastic cover came off of the media hub on that one, so we're going to have to pull that in two pieces. The media hub will just snap back together on these if that happens to you, but we're going to be replacing the media hub on this anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And I am just going to be plugging that in right now and leaving it lay there rather than snapping it back into the dash until we know if this fixes anything or not. I'm going to go ahead and plug the USB cord and the iPhone back in here, and it looks like we have a working version of CarPlay. So let's go ahead and set this up and see if Waze is working now. And it looks like everything is working correctly now, so I'm going to go ahead and snap the USB hub in, and I believe that's going to complete this repair. If you found this helpful or interesting, please click the like button down below. I got a lot more great stuff coming up, so please subscribe. And as always, have a great week.